Outstanding design defines the 2011 BMW 535i. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 40,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. BMW prioritized handling and performance with features such as front dual-zone air conditioning, remote keyless entry, and seat memory. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.